Imagine this for a second. You're 25, sitting on the roof of your building late at night, wondering why your bank balance still looks like a flat line. You've worked hard, saved a little, yet somehow it feels like nothing's moving. Your friend tells you, just invest early, bro. Compounding will take care of everything. But nobody tells you why you don't stick with it, or why your money never seems to grow the way people claim it does. Compounding doesn't fail people. People fail compounding. Over 56% of investors interrupt their compounding cycles every 2 to 3 years due to fear, impatience, or unnecessary short-term decisions. In today's video, I'm not just going to teach you the compounding formula. I'm going to teach you the mindset behind the formula, the invisible habits that actually activate compounding in your life. By the end of this video, you'll understand why compounding isn't slow. Your mindset is. You'll know exactly how to stay consistent even when results look small. If you're hungry for success and eager to learn, hit that subscribe button. We're here to share the secrets and strategies to accelerate your journey. Let's get started. Number 1. Compounding starts with tiny, boring wins. Most people assume growth comes from leaps, bigger income, bigger investments, bigger opportunities. But compounding is built on small wins so tiny they feel almost useless. It's the decision to save $5 instead of scrolling online stores. It's showing up 10 minutes earlier at work. It's reading 2 pages of a book daily. These choices look insignificant. They feel like they do nothing to your financial freedom, your investment strategies, or your personal development. But the real magic? When repeated long enough, they stack. Imagine someone learning stock market basics. They watch short videos daily, read small articles, and track one stock. After a year, they understand market psychology better than people who binge learn everything in one weekend. That's compounding at work. Effort added to patience multiplied by time. People fail because small wins feel too small. They want drama, excitement, quick profits, and a flashy investing portfolio. Compounding doesn't care about entertainment. It rewards the quiet ones who embrace boring consistency. Number 2. Time is your real partner in every form of growth. Compounding isn't powerful because you work hard. It's powerful because you let time work harder than you. Time multiplies your efforts the way interest multiplies your money in a dividend portfolio or index fund. When you stay consistent long enough, time enters the chat like a silent business partner, adding extra value without asking for attention. Let's say you dedicate a few minutes daily to improving a skill, design, communication, coding, investing, anything. At first, nothing changes. Your progress is invisible. After a few months, you're noticeably better. A year later, people ask how you learned it. By year 3, you outperform people who started with more talent but less consistency. Same minutes repeated, different timeline. This is why the patience muscle is part of compounding. Without time, even smart actions die early. With time, even small actions flourish. People ruin this process by quitting too early or switching strategies every week. Later points will show you why your environment and habits influence whether time works for you or against you. Number 3. Compounding rewards those who think longer than everyone else. A compounding mindset forces you to zoom out. When others worry about this week, this month, or the next paycheck, you start thinking in 1 year, 5-year, and 10-year windows. This shift alone puts you ahead in your career, your finances, and your long-term stability. Imagine someone choosing between 2 paths. One gives immediate comfort, the other gives delayed rewards. Compounding loves the second option. Long-term thinkers choose investing over showing off, skills over shortcuts, discipline over distraction. They make choices that look boring today but become powerful later. They build expertise brick by brick, creating income sources, better opportunities, and more meaningful stability. Most people underestimate how long-term thinking simplifies life. You stop chasing trends. You stop buying expensive gadgets to impress others. You stop trying to match other people's lifestyles. You start aligning choices with future outcomes instead of momentary emotions. Number 4. Consistency beats intensity every single time. The biggest lie people believe is that success requires extreme effort. They wait for motivation spikes, go all in for a week, burn out, then quit. Compounding laughs at this pattern. Compounding rewards the person who shows up steadily, not dramatically. A little progress repeated beats massive progress abandoned. Think about fitness. Someone works out intensely for 5 days and then quits for a month. Another person does 20 minutes daily. Who wins long term? The second one. The same applies to money management, building digital income, improving your credit score, developing professional skills, even nurturing relationships. Consistency turns small habits into automatic behaviors. Automatic behaviors turn into outcomes. Intensity feels exciting. Consistency feels quiet. That's why most people avoid the quiet path, even though it's the only path that works. Number 5. Your environment multiplies or destroys your progress. Compounding isn't just about what you do. It's also about what surrounds you. Your environment either accelerates your compounding or drains it. If you spend time with people who complain, overspend, gossip, procrastinate, or avoid growth, you'll absorb their patterns. That creates negative compounding, small bad habits repeated until they become heavy problems. But when you're around disciplined people, financially smart people, creators, builders, learners, your actions shift automatically. Their habits rub off on you. Their standards become your standards. A friend who invests early can inspire you to start your own investment account. A coworker with strong time management habits can influence your own routine. Compounding expands through social proximity. Think of your environment as soil. It doesn't matter how good the seed is if the soil is toxic. Once you improve the soil, your surroundings, your tools, your routines, the seed grows naturally. There's something most people never consider. Compounding also applies to your energy, and that's what we're breaking down next. Number 6. Energy management is the hidden multiplier. Most people think compounding works only with money or skills, but energy is the invisible resource behind all progress. When your energy is low, even simple tasks feel heavy. When your energy is high, you do more in 1 hour than others do in an entire day. Energy compounds through your habits, sleep, nutrition, and mental clarity. Think of someone who wakes up exhausted, scrolls through negative news, eats poorly, and works without breaks. Their productivity declines daily. That's negative compounding. On the other hand, someone who gets enough rest, takes short breaks, protects their focus, and minimizes stress amplifies their output every week. Soon, small efforts create massive results in their career, investments, and income opportunities. Energy also affects your decision-making. When you're drained, you make impulsive choices, spending money, ignoring goals, abandoning commitments. But when your energy is strong, you make better long-term decisions effortlessly. Let's go even deeper. Compounding also shapes your identity. Number 7. Your identity shapes how fast you compound. One of the most surprising aspects of compounding isn't about actions, it's about identity. You behave according to who you believe you are. If you see yourself as inconsistent, lazy, or unlucky, you'll sabotage your progress. But when you shift your identity toward being disciplined, capable, and growth-oriented, your actions follow naturally. Identity is built through repetition. If you make one disciplined choice daily, your identity rewrites quietly. You start seeing yourself as someone who follows through, and that belief multiplies your actions. This explains why some people create strong income streams, invest consistently, and build skills early. They're not smarter. They simply act according to a better self-image. Identity compounding also helps break old patterns. Once you view yourself as someone who values financial literacy, you naturally learn more about investing, cash flow, and wealth-building systems without forcing it. Number 8. Removing friction accelerates compounding. Compounding accelerates when friction disappears. Friction is anything that slows progress. Complicated systems, cluttered environments, vague goals, or emotional distractions. When your path is filled with friction, even small habits feel exhausting. For example, if you want to read daily but your books are scattered, you won't read. If you want to invest but your account setup is messy, you'll procrastinate. If you want to practice a skill but your tools are hard to access, progress slows down. Remove friction and your compounding becomes smoother. Keep your workspace clean, simplify your financial tools, automate your savings, organize your plans, and your progress accelerates naturally. Friction removal also includes emotional friction, unresolved stress, chaotic schedules, toxic people. Once you reduce emotional noise, your productivity increases, your decisions improve, your habits stick, your confidence grows. Here is a bonus point for you to apply. Compounding survives imperfection, not perfection. People wait for perfect conditions to start something meaningful. The perfect time to invest, the perfect job, the perfect plan, the perfect motivation. Compounding doesn't care about perfection. It cares about movement. Imperfect action repeated beats perfect action never taken. Start saving a small amount. Start learning a skill badly. Start reading slowly. Start investing tiny amounts in safe assets. Start creating even if your work isn't polished. Progress compounds through repetition, not perfection. Compounding isn't a trick. It's a worldview. Once you embrace it, you stop rushing, you stop comparing, you stop doubting. You build systems that serve your future, habits that strengthen your identity, and skills that create financial freedom. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Now, if you really want to level up, don't miss this next video. Let's continue there.